Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about the operators in Java. Let us see the operators in group. Java divides the operators into the following groups. They are the arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, bitwise operators and some special operators. Okay, so let us see one by one. We know that the arithmetic operators are basically addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So this is the chart that depicts the arithmetic operators. So plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus, increment and decrement. So the explanation is given as it adds the numbers for addition x plus y, and for subtraction it is x minus y, multiplication x into y, division x slash y, and modulo x modulo y, and then this is increment and decrement. It may be post increment or pre-increment. Likewise, it is post-decrement or pre-decrement. So post-increment means it will be a plus plus. Pre means plus plus a. Post-decrement means a minus minus. Otherwise, it is minus a. It is pre-decrement. Okay. So these are all the arithmetic operators. Now let the group. Next group is the assignment operators. So we have the various assignment operators as shown here. So equal to is a normal assignment operator which is assign some value to the variable like x is equal to 5. And we have also plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to and slash equal to, and also we have modulo equal. So all the equal to operators are assigned to the arithmetic operators as well as the logical operators and also to the shift operators. Okay, so accordingly the meaning is given here as when you say x actually plus equal to means that means x plus equal to 3 means x is equal to x plus 3. Likewise, if it says x slash equal to 3 means x is equal to x by 3. Actually, what is the advantage of this here is it just reduce some of the letters or some of the characters, and we are just using the shorthand method. So this is also called as an shorthand operators. Okay, so likewise this can be applicable to all the arithmetic operators and also to the logical operators and also to the shift operator. In the last two rows we can see here x right shift and x left shift. So that is actually what does it mean is when you say x right shift means x, the value of x is shifted to the right 3 times and the value is assigned to x. Likewise in the last row it is x, it is left shift equal to 3 means x is equal to x left shift 3. What does it mean is the value of 3 is shifted to the left 3 times and afterwards the value is assigned in the variable x. These are all the assignment operators in Java. And let us see the comparison operator. It is also called as relational operators. So we know that all the 6 combinations are there. Is equal to, not equal to, and then greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So as it means the example is given as x double equal to y. So you have to know the difference here. Normally x equal to y means it is an assignment operator. X double equal to means it is a relational operator, checking for both are equal, x is equal to y. Same way not equal means it is the exclamatory symbol followed by equal. It is says that if x is not equal to y. So all these comparison operators give the value as true or false. Okay, if x is equal to y means if x has the value as same as y, then it will be the comparison operator x is equal to y will be true. Suppose x is 5 and y is also 5. Yes, 5 is equal to 5. The answer will be yes or true. Okay. Suppose if x is equal to y, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4 means y is not equal to x. That means 3 is not equal to 4. That time we get the answer as false. Okay. So the answer of these comparison operators will be either true or false. Otherwise 1 or 0. Okay. So same way we can assign the operator to x less than y, x greater than y, x less than or equal to y, or x greater than or equal to y. So these relational operators also called comparison operators are used in the logical checking. They are used in the decision making process. Okay. Now the next group of operators is the logical operators. We know that logically we have 3 basic operators, not, and or. Okay. So here logically when you say and means if both are true the answer will be true. So that is the logical operator and or is the pipeline symbol. Okay, so here it is having the or symbol, either this or that. Okay, and same way we are having the not symbol, which is the exclamatory symbol, which gives the logical not as the result. Not means the complement or the negation. Okay, so the same thing, the same operator applies to the bitwise also. So when you say bitwise operators, we are having the same bitwise, but it is given as a single in number. Okay, so now it is a and b is bitwise and likewise when you say a or b, so single pipeline, there is, it says the logical or operator, and then a, this symbol b means it's a cup symbol, so it denotes the xor value, and this tilde symbol a means it is a bitwise not. Okay, so this is how the bitwise operators are working in Java. So here the logical operators generally can be applied as a whole, or it can also apply as bitwise. Okay, and then we have the next group of operators called special operators. So we are mentioning two operators, instance of operator and also the dot operator. What is the instance of operator is also called as an reference operator of an object. We know that Java is based upon the object oriented concept. So we have classes and object in Java. Suppose if you want to mention one input or one instance of an object, we are using the instance of operator. Okay, so now this is also like a logical operator having the answer as true or false. This operator gives only the two outputs, true or false. What does it mean is, if the particular object belongs to the class, yes means true, no means false. Okay, so suppose we are creating a object for the class, and after some time we are checking whether the object belongs to the class or not. So for that we are using the instance of operator. So if the particular object is created for that class, then the answer will be true, or else it will be false. And the next one is the dot operator. This dot operator is also known as member or separator or period. Okay, so using this dot operator, Java we can access the instant variables of a class, object or methods of a class. So example you can see here, for example, person dot age. Okay, so person is the class and age is the object. Okay, likewise you can here person is the class and dot salary is the method, age is the variable. So we can access the object, the variables or instance variables of the object. So here age is one instance variable, salary is the method. Okay, so we can access the method or a member of the object using the dot operator. Okay, so that's all about the operators in Java. Hope it is easy to follow, and thanks for watching.